Hi guys, I've been painting a lot of gems lately and a few people ask for a tutorial, so today I'll try to explain how I paint gems. I've come up with a certain technique, or let's say I always repeat pretty much the same steps while painting them. First, let's start with the sketch. Figure out the silhouette and shape of your gem. It can be any shape and size you want. Circle, triangle, square, it doesn't matter. Use lasso tool to select that shape and create a layer underneath. Fill the shape with any dark color. You can keep the sketch layer or turn it off. I turned off my sketch layer. I'm not concerned with what will come out of these gems. We'll see. Right now I'm using big soft brush while adding these shapes of color. Next thing is to draw the white lines to define the planes of the gem. You can play with that as well, there are no rules. Next thing I do is to add light with color dodge or overlay mode. I added light from the top left and a bit of highlight as well. Since light travels through the gem, that's why a gem is lightened at the bottom. Light is kind of stuck inside it. Now I have created a new layer set to screen and adding these, what is it even called, bubbly shapes. I'm trying out the different shapes and looking for the ones I like. Now I merge everything down and try using curves to fix the values a bit. Good trick is to duplicate all gems, go to hue and saturation and make everything a lot more saturated, and then you start deleting, so only a bit of that saturated color actually stays. Everything else is just polishing and final touches. This is how I approach painting most of the gems. I'm just trying out random texture brushes on top and then deleting, and if I like something I leave it there. To make highlighted parts pop even more, make sure there's a very dark color right next to it. That's why I'm adding another multiply layer to darken it even more. If you're unsure what to add for the final details, search for the gems game icon on Pinterest and use those as a reference. Pay close attention to little details and try to do similar things while painting your gems. That's how you learn.